You. Ready? With the banana. With the banana.
Parang ewan.
Go! Keep doing it. Congratulations! We have a banana. Wait, no. You gotta wait for Edison. Edison, hurry up! Yeah, do them like that. You look perfect. What abs?
We always do that. I know. Follow your girl.
Wait, can you say congratulations? Say congratulations. Oh, right there, perfect. Yeah, I'm recording.
Okay, now.
I forgot.
Next performers.
By the door.
Got a joke, dope.
Drum roll, please.
What?
No, wait. I got a joke. Here goes. Why are Jews afraid to watch Star Wars? You don't know? I'll tell you. Drum roll, please.
Hold on. Let's sing to it. No, just make it like.
No, yeah, you gotta dance. You gotta dance to this.
We did that.
Go on the side.
I got.
What?
And then suddenly he got.
What? That's over exaggerated.
You drank water, dude. Oh, that's good.
Do it again. Do it again.
Go. 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 Go.
Start walking. Go walk. Heartbeat.
Magandang hapon sa mga dyan nanonood. Ako si Chari Santos, dito sa ABS-CBN. May istorya tayo ngayon sa isang tao. Isang mag-best friend.
Guys, Big Bird's crying really bad.
No, nobody cares. Who cares?
I know you guys are joking. Big Bird's not really crying.
Ako ngayon nagsasalita, mga audience, tumahimik kayo or ipapalabas ko kayo ng security. Ang storya natin ngayon, maalaala mo kaya, ako si Charo Santos, balita sa ABS-CBN.
It's showtime!
Huwag kayong mga KJ kasi tatawag ko ang security sa inyo.
Boo.
They are the security.
Showtime.
Dear Charo,
Congratulations!
life comes easy. Easy? Di pa! Easy come, easy go. Once said by Bobby Sherman. One day, ang best friend ko, kinain lahat ng pagkain sa refrigerator ko. Pangalan niya ay Harold.
Yeah, he eats a lot.
Yo, what's up? That's me right there.
No.
Tapos, nagpapapansin. May attention disorder. Tapos, yung best friend niya, pinagtabuyan siya. Kasi, nireject siya. Tapos, pinangbabato ng papel at mga bato. Tapos, yung isang kaibigan niya, nagka-epilepsy. Biglang nagnanakaw ng kanyang pera. Buti nga, nagka-epilepsy. Ito ang storya ni Edison Guano. Si Edison Guano, isang kita. Siya ay isang kita dun sa rice terraces of the Philippines. Ito ang storya.
Chocolate yellow.
Dude, can I be shy for that or whatever it is?
Ay, siya.
You ready?
Tapos maging ko na, Jerry.
Stop! Magandang sa inyo lahat.
Maganda kayo si...
Oh my gosh, dude!
Just keep going.
Magandang sa inyo lahat. Ako ay si Enchongdi.
Who's that?
Enchongdi.
You look more like Bento.
Best friend. My best friend. She went with another guy. Ang gagawin nila. Dude! Why are you using mine, man? When I get yours.
Yeah, that's not nice too.
Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Ako ay si...
Talk to a people.
When you start getting him, I'm like... Oh, dude. Magandang sa inyo lahat. Storya ko. Precious flowers.
You like feet, huh?
Yes, feet fetish.
Fetish.
Shut up! Ay, shit, sabi mo.
Gusto mo ng petish? with that fetish. Are you ready? I want some fetish with my asin.
Play Scrabble. Play Scrabble.
Tinatamad ako doon. Ano na lang tayo, hide and seek? What was that?
Hide and seek. Oh, I'm gonna hide and seek. Yeah.
Like, that's ugly. That was you.
No, keep it still.
My turn. Tell me when it's my turn.
Wait, go, do it again.
When it's my turn, I'm gonna do it already and you move it. Right?
Wow, planado talaga eh. This long. Wala na.
Nonsense.
Eh, wala na.
Good, man.
Ew. Mga 4 or 5 layers yan.
No maganda picture. No maganda picture. No maganda picture. No maganda picture. No maganda picture.
Ew!
Kick me in the face. I tell you, I saw Big Bird's fifth kind trailer.